Have you ever wondered why cracking your neck feels so good? Many people believe it's totally safe, but that's not always true. So, what's actually causing that popping sound in your neck? I'll explain. But first, if you're on the side of the angels, make sure to like the video and subscribe. And if not, then maybe you're cheering for the demons. Share this video to show your support for the angels, and leave a heart in the comments if you're Team Angel. That cracking noise happens when tiny gas bubbles inside the fluid that cushions your joints suddenly collapse. Cracking your neck once in a while is generally harmless, but doing it too forcefully or too frequently can put stress on the nearby muscles and ligaments. In rare situations, it may even injure blood vessels, which can lead to serious health problems.